Hey guys, my name is Japheth and today's video is about this challenge called the repeated string. So without much further ado, let me get started. Lilah has a string S of lowercase English letters that she repeated infinitely many times. Given an integer n, find and print the number of letter A's in the first n letters of Lilah's infinite string. For example, in the string S, A, B, C, A, C and n is equals to 10. The substring we consider is A, B, C, A, C, A, B, A, C, the first 10 characters of her infinite string. There are 4 occurrences of A in the infinite string. So we complete the repeated string function in the editor below. It should return an integer representing the number of occurrences of A in the prefix of length n in the infinitely repeated string. So these are the parameters. So S is equals to S is a string to repeat, a string to repeat the number of characters to consider, which is n. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So as usual, just the basic boilerplate, which I've linked to the main.js. So let me use live server so that it can refresh automatically. I'm going to minimize it. So I'm going to use let me now start coding. So I'm going to start some sample data. So const n is equals to, let's say 10, and the const S, now the string, let's say A, let's say B, C, A, C. Let me the exact from the example, or let me say 11, so that I'll be able to explain something here. So first of all, I'm going to find the length of this string. The length is equals to S dot the length. Then the second thing I'm going to do is find the number of A's in this particular string. So const, let's call it count, is equals to S dot match. I'm going to use regular expressions. X dot match A globally, match A globally, 2 pipes and square bracket, 2 square brackets, and dot length. So this is going to give me the number of A's in this particular S string. So to find the number of A's in the first 11 characters in this infinite pattern of string, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use an expression that we're going to, so this is the current number of strings in these first 5 characters. So to find the number of A's in the first 11 characters, we're going to times the number of we're going to times the number of the first pattern here times the number that this pattern is going to repeat itself, so that it can add up to 11 characters. So first of all, let's find the full repetitions that are going to be there. So let's call it full repetition, called full repetition, full rep, which is equals to, I'm going to use the math.flow so that I can round it down if there is a remainder. So math.flow to form so that can form a whole number. So those are the full repetitions. Then later we're going to find the remaining characters that were left that are not full. So math.flow, so I'm going to say math.flow, so it is n divided by, which is divided by the length, isn't it, to find the number of repetitions, full repetitions. So that's it. So if you console.log log full rep will find, so let's see here, console, see, two are the full repetitions, but mathematically when you divide 11 divided by the 5 is the length of this string, 5, will find 2 point something. So we have to find those characters that are left to form 11 characters. So let me get rid of this. So I'm going to say, first of all, let me find the number of A's in the first, in this full repetitions first. So count is equals to count times full rep. So this is going to give me the number of A's that are there in the full repetitions. But like here, this only one, there is a remainder. So you have to find that remainder, those characters that remained, so that you can form a string and find the number of A's in that string. Then we gonna add it to this count variable. So let me call the remainder is equals to n minus full rep. So this is going to give me the remaining characters, which in this case is going to be 1. So n minus the full rep. So this is the remainder. Then it's going to be, so full rep times the length, so that I can find the number. So full rep times the length will give me the number of the characters that are formed when this string repeats itself. It repeats itself this amount of times here. So like in this case, it's gonna be full length is gonna be 2 times the length is gonna be 5, which is going to be 10. So 11 minus 10, which is going to be 1. So one character is left, so remainder is going to be 1. So we have to form a string using this pattern of length this remainder value. So const, I'm going to call it add num. So s.slice forms a string So going to form a string from 0 index to 1 to this values index. So 0 1, it's going to form A. Then I'm going to count the number of A's in this new formed string. So I'm going to use the math dot flow, match dot match to match A globally, two pipes close the bracket, then dot length, close the bracket here. So dot length, so s dot slice remainder, no, where we left that bracket, slice here, s dot slice dot match AG match that's the case. So this is going to give us the number of A's that are there when we form this new string. So then again we're going to add it to the count. So count is equals to count again plus add number. So that's it. So in the console.log count will give us the number of A's. There's an error. So 8 count is equal to count times unquoted pair assignment to constant or variable. Oh, supposed to use let. Sorry about that. Yes, 5. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say 20. Say 20. Get 8. 21 is supposed to be 9. Okay, so it's working. Even if we use a billion, it's not going to take a lot of time because it's a mathematical expression. So that's it, guys. So let's copy it and move it to the I already done that. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have another solution, you can add it to the comment below. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.